Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here once again. Tonight is a special night because it's a Saturday night and we're going to have
griddled sirloin steak
with a delicious salsa verde.
So it's off to my garden to pick some herbs. After all, it's a salsa verde green sauce. Now we're going to need some basil. I'm using about 2 tablespoons full, and some mint, same amount of mint. Of course you can adjust this if you want to make less sauce or more sauce, I mean salsa verde. And we're going to need some parsley. This is a curly leafed parsley. You can get flat leafed, but this is one that I've grown myself and I keep outside in a pot. Give it a little bit of a haircut now and again. Then we take these indoors and I'm going to give these a good wash under the tap. And of course, then we're going to strain these and dry these off a bit. Pat them dry with some kitchen towel.
Some of these lovely fresh herbs that you've just seen me pick from my garden. 1 garlic clove, 1 white onion, some anchovies, a lemon. We're going to need some capers, oh I do love capers, some English mustard and some olive oil. So we put all of these ingredients into the pestle and mortar. As you can see, I've cut the onion up quite small. So in with the onion, then in with the garlic, that's been chopped as well. It's going to be pestle and mortar, so by chopping the ingredients first, it does help a bit. In with the anchovies, there are about 4 of these. Pop those in. And our lemon zest. Half a teaspoon or thereabouts of English mustard. Now this is quite hot, so you can add a bit more or a bit less, depending on your taste. About 2 tablespoons full of capers. These are capers from a jar. That's it. So in we go with the herbs. You add a little pestle and mortar there. Tuck those in quite nicely. And we're going to give a drizzle of olive oil. Mustn't overdo it, just enough to make it a little bit liquid, a little bit sticky. And of course add to the flavour. And then we're going to grind this to a paste.
So there it is, a lovely salsa verde. Now comes the easy part. We're going to griddle the steak, a lovely sirloin steak. Give it a bit of seasoning, both sides of course, and you can cook this to your own preference. I like mine sort of medium rare, perhaps a little bit more on the rare side. Get those lovely stripes on there. That looks tasty, doesn't it? Now we're just going to slice this a little bit, make it look a little bit more presentable, and look at those lovely juices coming out. Well, really can't wait for my taste test, guys, that's for sure. Come on, hurry up. Ah, perfect, nice and pink. Just the job. And there it is, plated up with some fries and some stuffed mushrooms. On we go with our salsa verde sauce. Oh yes, 2 spoons for me please. Oh, look at that. Plated up, looks perfect, doesn't it? Lovely for Saturday night. Well, that's what I call a special meal. Now for the taste test. Oops, don't forget the sauce.
Well, there it is guys. Sirloin steak with a salsa verde sauce right on the top. Doesn't that look delicious? Soon going to find out.
Yeah, that really is lovely. It takes that wonderful steak right to the top of the tree, right where it belongs. Beautiful. Please try this recipe for yourself. I know you haven't got your herbs growing in a garden like me. Well, you might have, I'm not sure. If you haven't, you can always go and buy some. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to give that like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thanks so much again for watching, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.